What if your iPhone wallpaper could actually pop out in 3D and use your own face? It looks incredibly cool, and the best part is you can create it in just a few minutes. Let me show you how. First, open ChatGPT and upload a clear photo of your face. To do that, tap the plus icon, then tap all photos and select a clear photo of your face. Now to create your own 3D portrait wallpaper, you'll need to use the same prompt that I'm using right now. I've already added it in the video description, so simply copy and paste it into ChatGPT. After pasting the prompt, tap Done. Within just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate an awesome 3D style portrait wallpaper of you. Once it's ready, simply download the image to your iPhone. For that, tap on Share icon and then tap on Save Image. Now open the Photos app and select the image you just downloaded. Tap the Share button, then swipe up and choose Use as Wallpaper. Now tap on this icon to enable the special wallpaper effect. Next, tap the three dots and enable the wallpaper options, Extend Wallpaper and Depth Effect. Then adjust the wallpaper with 2 fingers and tap Add to save it. That's it. Now your iPhone has a stunning 3D wallpaper that looks premium and makes your face stand out. If you found this trick useful, like this video, subscribe for more iPhone secrets, and share it with your iPhone friends. They'll definitely want to try this too.